Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add existing Railcard to Trailline app. As you can see, I am in the official website of Reddit, where people provide their opinion regarding this. As you can see, this is the solution provided by the peoples. They can say that under the passenger section, where it defaults to one adult, you can add the Railcard in there. It remember your previous selection if you have an account, or though storing it on the device if not. You can buy tickets from any retailer. Trailline add extra fees, regardless of where you buy the rail card. Note, if that you need to keep track of the expiry date yourself, it won't get removed automatically. There is not any way or need to add your specific rail card or link your account or anything of that sort of nature. Just buy the tickets with the option selected and then when asked at ticket checks, show both the ticket and rail card. So, this is the solution provided by the peoples on the official website of Reddit. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.